In this video, we're going to walk through how to use the Goals feature in performance management. Goals are a key feature of the performance management platform that help employees set and work towards important targets for their current job responsibilities or professional development. To create a goal, navigate to Performance, Goals, My Goals. Create a new goal by selecting the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. In the new goal form, name your goal and provide a description. On the top bar of the form, you can set the goal's priority level, its target date, and the weightage. If your organization's superuser has approvals enabled, your options for creating a goal will be either save as draft or submit for approval. If you press submit for approval, your goals will appear as pending approval on your goals list. The goal will be sent to both your line manager and your matrix manager. If you have both managers, they must both approve your goal before you can begin checking in progress on it. If you only have one manager, you'll get a notification that your goal has been approved once your manager approves it. If your manager has requested changes, you can view their comments by pressing the edit icon, making changes, and resubmitting for approval. Once your manager approves your goal, you can begin tracking progress. Progress on all of your goals will be calculated as an overall goal progress percentage on the progress bar. If one of your goals is more important than the others, you can change the weightages of your goals. This changes the impact that each goal has on the overall progress. All goal weights must amount to 1. If the distribution of these 3 goals is 0.4, 0.1, and 0.5, the last goal will impact the goal progress substantially, while the second will impact it fractionally. You can complete a goal check-in by moving the sliding scale next to your goal status. This will open your check-in window. Input the updated value and status of the goal, and add a comment if you have one. Press update and your goal progress will be updated. To update only the status of a goal, simply press the status box and select from your status options: not started, on track, at risk, in trouble, or completed. Additionally, you can delete a goal by selecting the downward arrow on the left-hand side of the goal and selecting Delete from the drop-down menu. If approvals are enabled in your organization, you can send this action for approval and it will read Pending Delete. If not, the goal will be deleted. On the left side drop-down arrow, you can also view your notes for the goal. This is an area where you can record any plans that you have regarding this goal and add relevant information that you find out throughout the course of a quarter or meetings with your manager. Notes will be virtually stored so that all users can return to them over and over. Both you and your managers will be able to leave comments on your notes, giving you the opportunity to keep all relevant material attached to the item at hand and opening a line of communication with your manager. Back in the drop-down menu, you can see there's an audit trail. This shows you previous check-ins on your goal, including who completed the check-in, the date and time it was completed, the recorded status and value, and any associated comments. Next, you can look at your previous goals whenever you'd like. On the top left-hand side of the My Goals page, you'll see a status filter. You can filter the status of goals to view completed goals. If you would like to view goals from previous quarters, you can use the date filters on the right-hand side of the page to navigate to the period, quarter, or year you would like to view. All past goals will be stored here. For more information on goal management, visit our Help Center, and don't forget we're available 24/7 in the live support chat right on your Profit.co platform.